Good morning, students of class 9. Today I will derive the equation of motion by graphical methods. As all of you know about the equation of motion, these, there are three equations of motions. All these equations of motion are applicable or valid when the object moves with uniform acceleration. So for memory point of view, first of all I write this sentence that an object moving with uniform acceleration having initial velocity u, okay, and after time interval t, their velocity changes from u to v, that is v, okay, as shown in the graph. You have to prove here three equations of motion. As you know that first equation of motion is v equal to u plus at. Here v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, and a is the uniform acceleration, and t is the time interval. Right? That equation of motion also known as velocity time relation. Velocity time relation. Okay? The second equation of motion is s equal to ut plus half at square. That is called position. That is position time relation. That concept will be also helpful when you solve the numerical problems. Now v square minus u square equal to 2as, or 2s equal to v square minus u square. Right? In that days, different books write v square minus u square equal to 2s, but in my time that is 2s equal to v square minus u square. Okay, here s is the position and v is the time. So that is also called position velocity relation. Is clear? Now, if you want to solve these equations or relations by the help of graph, so first of all, I prove v equal to u plus at by the help of this graph. Right? So for that, you have to write, we know that slope of velocity time graph gives acceleration, right, as or a, acceleration a. तो स्लोप के बारे में आप लोगों को मैं बता चुका हूं. ये ग्राफ है, जो एक्स एक्सिस जो एंगल बनाता है ग्राफ, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्लोप ऑफ द ग्राफ. उसका टेंजेंट लेते हैं. जब हम टेंजेंट लेंगे देखिए क्या आएगा. दैट इज चेंज वेलोसिटी, द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ वेलोसिटी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. तो टेन थीटा का वैल्यू क्या होगा? स्लोप ऑफ द ग्राफ मीन्स टेन थीटा. दैट इज टेन थीटा इक्वल टू व्हाट? BD by AD. As you know that tan theta equal to P by B. Here this side is in front of the angle theta, so that will be P and that will be B. P for perpendicular, B for base. So tan theta equal to BD by AD. Right? For the slope of velocity time graph gives acceleration, for that concept it is clear that is the change in velocity v minus u. This total distance is v, that is v, so that will also be, that is u, that will be u. So obviously BD equal to what? BD equal to BC minus CD, right? Or that will becomes v minus u. So v minus u by t, already you know that about that, the rate of change velocity is called acceleration. So here in the case of graph, the term is slope of graph, that is tan theta equal to BD by AD equal to v minus u by AD. AD equal to also t, because OC equal to AD, right? V minus u by t, or that will be equal to what? Or imply that A equal to v minus u by t, imply that v minus u equal to AT, or v equal to u plus AT. So in such a way you are able to prove the first equation of motion That is also called velocity time relation because it correlates between v, u and t. है ना? Here no any time you consider acceleration because acceleration is uniform already mentioned. So that is v equal to u plus at. That is first equation of motion. Now I want to prove the second equation of motion by this method, by the graphical methods, right? So for that you can write, as you know that the area enclosed by the velocity time graph gives displacement. Here one thing is very remarkable. If you write velocity, then here you can write displacement. If you write here speed, speed time graph, right? Then you can write here distance. Okay. अगर आप यहाँ स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ लिखोगे, स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ से जो एरिया इंक्लोज होगा बाय द ग्राफ, दैट विल बी डिस्टेंस. तो एरिया इंक्लोज मीन्स व्हाट? दैट एरिया इंक्लोज बाय द ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस के अबाउट, राइट? सो हियर आवर फोकस विल बी हाउ यू कैन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस ग्राफ, या एरिया इंक्लोज बाय द ग्राफ ए बी, राइट? सो इट इज क्लियर that is that form a trapezium, right? The area enclosed by the velocity graph gives the displacement. That is displacement S equal to area of trapezium OABC. ट्रेपेजियम लिख दिया तो क्लोज फिगर हुआ, फोर साइड हो गया, ABC किसे लिखते हैं उस तरह से OABC आप भी आप लिख देंगे. तो इनक्लोज फिगर है तो सबको ओ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब ये क्या हो गया? इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स इंटू क्या होता है, इंटू हाइट और दैट इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू पैरेलल साइड्स. What is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So these are the opposite sides and these are the parallel. So you can consider that is form a trapezium. Now the value of that will be what? Equal to half into sum of parallel sides means OA plus CB, and the distance between these two parallel sides is OC, and OC equal to हो जाएगा हाफ OA का U और प्लस CB मतलब B, CB means B that side and to OC means time T. ओके, यहाँ तक आप लोग समझ गए होंगे. अब यहाँ पे देखिए हमारा इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन क्या है, यह S इक्वल टू UT प्लस हाफ AT स्क्वायर. देयर इज नो द टर्म V, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, और भी के का वैल्यू हम लोग ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन में डिराइव कर चुके हैं. तो आई कैन राइट इट अगेन हाफ इंटू यू प्लस वी प्लस यू प्लस वी इक्वल टू यू प्लस एटी, यू प्लस एटी इन प्लेस ऑफ वी इंटू टी. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? टू यू प्लस एटी इंटू टी. क्या लिख दोगे? सिंस b इक्वल टू यू प्लस एटी. ओके, एंड देन दैट बिकम्स दैट यस s इक्वल टू हाफ, यहाँ देखिए टू यू इंटू टी, तो टू यू टी प्लस हाफ इंटू एटी स्क्वायर. ओके, ये आपका टू टू कट गया, क्या हो गया? यू टी प्लस हाफ एटी स्क्वायर. सो और दैट इज S इक्वल टू UT प्लस हाफ AT स्क्वायर. ओके, इस तरह से आपका हो गया s इक्वल टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर। इसको मैं दो तरह से बताऊंगा, अभी आपको मैं बताऊंगा कि इससे क्या फायदा है इस मेथड से, और आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा। ओके, now the third equation of motion is like v square minus u square equal to 2s. My dear students, if you write the same things, as you know that, as we know that the area enclosed by the velocity time graph gives what? Gives displacement. In similar way, we proceed the work. S equal to area of trapezium, area of the trapezium OA BC equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Now that becomes what? Half into sum of parallel side means OA plus CB into time height OC equal to half into U plus V into T. Here one thing is very remarkable. Again, the equation of third equation of motion is V square minus U square equal to 2s. Right? Here a term T is not required. S is required. S or S equal to. But U is also required. V is also required. But here T is not required. Right? So in similar way, as you prove in the second equation of motion, right? Put the value of V equal to U plus AT. Here you also want to put the value of T in terms of U, V or A. Okay. So that can also written in the form U plus V can be written as V plus U. No doubt. And the value of T will be what? A equal to V minus U by T. All of you know that. Then T equal to what? T equal to V minus U by A. So that value can be put in this equation. So that becomes V minus U by T. Now that becomes A plus B into A minus B. So that can be written as V square minus U square by A. Right? V square minus U square by A. That can be written as. So S equal to, ये समझ आ गया क्या होता है? V plus U and A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Right? So V plus U into V minus U equal to V square minus U square by A. यहाँ A होगा, सॉरी A, तो क्या हो गया? V square minus U square by 2A. और आप क्रॉस करेंगे क्या हो जाएगा? V square minus U square equal to S into 2 into A, 2AS. So that is equation, third equation of motion. Right? So in such a way you can prove the equation of motion by graphical methods. Here one thing remarkable that you can write speed or velocity. है, आप अगर स्पीड लिखेंगे तो एरिया इंक्लोज बाय द वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ will be give the distance, not displacement. But if you write the velocity time graph, then in that case you can get the displacement covered by the moving object. But one thing is very remarkable that these equations of motion valid when the object moves with uniform acceleration. Right? If the object is not moves in uniform acceleration, then these equations will be not valid. You cannot draw the graph in such a way, right? क्योंकि स्लोप ऑफ ग्राफ क्या एक्सेशन देता है, एक्सेशन का ग्राफ क्या होगा, स्ट्रेट लाइन और यूनिफॉर्म, इसीलिए ग्राफ का नेचर क्या है, यूनिफॉर्म है. एक्चुअली ये भी क्या डिनोट कर रहा है, दैट डिनोट्स द नेचर ऑफ द एक्सलेशन, बिकॉज बाय दिस graph you the slope of graph gives the idea about the acceleration. So that is the first equation of motion. So there are three equations of motion. First, v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, and third, v square minus u square equal to 2as, right? Now a very short topic is left, that is circular motion, and you also discuss about that in brief during the motion, discussing the motion chapter. But again I want to derive the formula v equal to omega r, right? This formula will be also helpful for all of you, I think about that. So in next video you provide the derivation v equal to omega r and what is circular motion, etc. Okay.